a baby bird. The bird was like really sick, so we like our dog ran to us, and so we started to take care of it. We found a worm for it, but the worm probably ran away. I could see it. Keep the bird a little bit. And the bird is like having a stroke out probably. They're going crazy. And my dog wanted to see us right here.
I can't see you, Gracie. Get out.
The poor bird on her belly. Yeah, the little birdie.
Ossie, did you get the bird? Ossie. Ossie, did you get the bird? Did you get the bird? Ossie, did you get the bird? Did you get the bird?
So she's really pretty. And I really like the bird.
Ossie, go sit over there with the bird. Go sit with the bird, Ossie. Go sit with the bird. Over there, go sit with the bird.
We just like stopped and we found the bird was right by there. Who was the first one to find it, Mom?
I did. Ossie told me.
My mom found it first, and it was really crazy. So her beak is really pretty.
Come get a close up on it.
Yeah.
Get a close up here. Get a close up on the bird.
There's a bird. Hi. Hi. There's a bird. I want to say hi. And here's Brian. And then here's the dog who ate the bird almost. Ossie, did you eat that bird? And the bird's feeling okay. And the bird's feeling fine.
I don't know.
So
Its head went up. Look, it's moving.
It's falling asleep and waking back up. Watch it.
I think it might be dying.
Its head's down.
I hear a woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Go get the binoculars.
Brian, go get him. Go get him. No, you. You get him.
KIDB Haven, Wichita.
I know you want to be.
It's gotta be right up there.
Get it.
It's got to be right up there in that tree. Somewhere up
Get it,
in this
Brian.
tree.
No.
I hear a woodpecker up in that tree.
Mom.
Oh, sorry. I heard a woodpecker.
And so the bird is feeling better, but now keep poking it.
She's petting it. She can't do it with her hand. It might have a disease. What the heck?
What if the disease goes off and then hits her ear? Well, guys, we'll have to end the video there.